Why every police department needs a small portable drone in 2021. We're going to talk about it. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, David here from Aerial Influence. Thank you for stopping by. Wanted to talk a little bit today about how small drones can impact police departments. We currently work with police departments primarily in the Midwest, but we do have clients around the country. We work with them using drones of all sizes, from drones like the Matrice 300 RTK to medium-sized drones like the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual or the upcoming Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, to something like this, the DJI Mini 2, which is a consumer product that you can buy at any Best Buy. We have used it in the past with police departments, with the Elgin Police Department specifically, to try things out flying indoors. It did really great, especially with the prop guards on. And even something like this is an FPV drone. This is the iFlight ProTech 25, but there are police departments that are using drones like this to fly indoors for different situations with SWAT teams. We tried it not that long ago, again, in Elgin with our friend Quad Daddy FPV. His name's actually Caesar, but he goes by Quad Daddy FPV on YouTube. But today specifically, I wanted to talk about drones like the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual or the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, which have speakers built into them, and why these drones can be so effective in really serious situations. This happened not too long ago in Atlanta. There was a murder suspect that was holed up in an apartment complex. The police went in, they busted the door open and put a drone like this inside. And what they were able to do is communicate with the suspect inside the apartment without putting any police, without putting the suspect in danger. How did they do it? They did it just like this. This is the police. Please drop your weapons and come out with your hands up. This is the police. Please drop your weapons and come out with your hands up. This is the police. Please drop your weapons and come out with your hands up. This is the police. Please drop your weapons and come out with your hands up. So what this does, it protects the suspect. We have no idea about this Atlanta suspect. I have no idea if this guy's guilty or not. I do not know anything about the case other than they used a drone to basically arrest the guy, which I thought was pretty interesting because no police were injured. The suspect was not injured. Everybody gets their fair date in court, and we can avoid the controversies we've seen around the country. But we think in the hands of the right police personnel, which are like 99% of the people we work with, the police we work with have been great. We think that these drones like this, drones like the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, drones like the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, which is coming out pretty soon, are gonna do amazing things. You know, don't buy it from us, buy it from whoever you wanna buy it from. We just think it's gonna save lives in different communities. It doesn't even have to be DJI. There are other drone companies out there. We know people have a thing against DJI, so go to Autel, go to Skydio, go to any of the other drone companies, go another drone dealer. But if you are working at a police department around the United States, you owe it to yourself to look into it, to do a little bit of investigation into drones and how they could potentially save the lives of your fellow police officers and also community members. You know, you really could save a lot of lives, not just in situations like the one we just talked about, but also search and rescue. These drones are saving lives every single day. We're very passionate about this whole issue with drones and police departments and saving lives. We just think it is really an amazing thing. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time.